In a world where smartphone innovation often feels predictable, Samsung has once again broken the mold with the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, a device that's more than just an upgrade. It's a revolution. Every year, Samsung raises the bar, but this time they completely redefine what a flagship smartphone can be. From lightning-fast charging speeds to privacy-driven display technology and pro-level photography features, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is built to dominate 2025 and beyond. Whether you're a tech enthusiast hungry for performance, a creative looking for perfect shots, or someone who simply wants the best smartphone experience money can buy, this device is designed to exceed your expectations. So, let's dive into the 5 standout features that make the Galaxy S26 Ultra the most advanced and future-ready smartphone on the planet. Script, single paragraph, 2,000 words, SEO optimized and engaging for voiceover. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just another addition to Samsung's premium lineup. It's a statement of power, precision, and innovation. Samsung has gone all out this year to ensure the S26 Ultra becomes a gold standard for smartphones in 2025, packing in features that redefine speed, privacy, photography, and performance. Let's start with the first major breakthrough, the all-new 60W wired fast charging system. For years, users have demanded faster and more efficient charging solutions, and Samsung has finally delivered. Compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra's 45W charging, the 60W upgrade makes an enormous difference, allowing users to charge their phone from 0 to 100% in nearly half the time. Imagine being able to get a full day's power during your morning coffee break, or a 50% boost in under 20 minutes. Whether you're a professional juggling multiple tasks, a gamer craving uninterrupted sessions, or a traveler constantly on the move, this faster charging ensures your device is always ready when you are. Samsung's emphasis on convenience means less waiting, less downtime, and more freedom to do what matters most. Moving on to the second groundbreaking feature, the revolutionary 6.9-inch M14 QHD plus Dynamic AMOLED display with integrated privacy technology. Samsung has always led the display game, but this time they've taken it up a notch. The screen offers breathtaking brightness, superior contrast, and lifelike color accuracy, making everything from 4K streaming to content creation an absolute visual delight. However, what truly makes this display special is its built-in privacy protection. Using advanced optical layering, the display limits visibility from side angles, ensuring that only you can see what's on your screen. Whether you're checking financial details in a cafe, editing confidential work files during travel, or simply texting in public, this feature keeps prying eyes away. Samsung's innovation here is not just about clarity. It's about confidence, offering peace of mind that your privacy is protected without compromising quality. Next, let's talk performance, because the Galaxy S26 Ultra's third major feature is sheer computational dominance. Powered by either the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or Exynos 2600, depending on your region, this phone represents a massive leap in raw power and efficiency. The CPU and GPU performance gains are remarkable, offering up to 25% faster data processing, reduced latency, and smoother multitasking. Samsung has also integrated up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM, making app switching instantaneous and lag virtually non-existent. Combined with UFS 4.1 storage options ranging from 256 gigabytes to a whopping 1 terabyte, the S26 Ultra ensures that both performance and capacity never become limitations. For gamers, Samsung's improved vapor chamber cooling system keeps temperatures stable even during intense gaming marathons, allowing extended playtime without thermal throttling. For creators, video rendering and editing on the go become effortless, while everyday users enjoy blazing fast response times in every interaction. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is not just powerful, it's intelligently optimized, ensuring that performance adapts seamlessly to how you use your device. Now, if there's one area where Samsung continues to dominate the competition, it's photography, and the fourth major feature, the camera system, truly raises the bar. The Galaxy S26 Ultra introduces an upgraded 200MP main sensor with a wider f/1.4 aperture, which allows up to 47% more light into the lens, resulting in sharper details, vibrant colors, and stunning clarity even in low-light conditions. Night photography has never looked this breathtaking. But Samsung didn't stop there. The telephoto setup has also been completely re-engineered. The new 50MP 5x telephoto lens and 12MP 3x zoom lens come with larger apertures and enhanced image stabilization, delivering crystal-clear results at every focal length. Whether it's capturing cityscapes from afar or close-up portraits with creamy bokeh, the Galaxy S26 Ultra performs like a DSLR in your pocket. The AI-powered image engine intelligently enhances details, reduces noise, and maintains accurate skin tones across various lighting environments. Video enthusiasts will appreciate 8K recording at 60 frames per second, super smooth stabilization, and cinematic HDR, which brings lifelike realism to every frame. Samsung's commitment to camera excellence makes this device a dream for photographers, vloggers, and everyday users alike, ensuring that every shot is a masterpiece waiting to happen. And finally, we arrive at the fifth defining feature, Samsung's bold new approach to design and color. The Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just powerful, it's visually stunning. Samsung has introduced a striking new orange variant, along with elegant finishes like titanium gray, midnight blue, and phantom silver. These new tones bring personality to the device, reflecting the growing demand for self-expression through design. Crafted from Armor Aluminum 2.0 and Gorilla Glass armor, the phone exudes durability while maintaining a luxurious feel in the hand. The subtle curvature of the edges, refined camera housing, and matte texture make it comfortable, premium, and modern all at once. Samsung has successfully blended aesthetics with practicality. This phone doesn't just look beautiful, it feels indestructible. Beyond looks, the S26 Ultra also incorporates environmental responsibility, featuring recycled materials in its construction and sustainable packaging, proving that performance and planet can coexist. But what truly makes a Galaxy S26 Ultra stand out isn't just its individual features. It's how flawlessly they come together to create a cohesive, future-ready experience. Faster charging means more freedom. The privacy display offers peace of mind. The processor ensures unstoppable performance. The cameras redefine creativity, and the design adds sophistication. Together, these elements make the S26 Ultra not just a smartphone, but a complete lifestyle device designed to adapt to every user's world. Whether you're using it for work, entertainment, photography, or productivity, it's clear that Samsung built this flagship with every kind of user in mind. The company's relentless pursuit of innovation is evident in every detail, from the software optimizations in One UI 7.1 to the tighter integration with Galaxy ecosystem devices like the Galaxy Watch 7 and Buds 3 Pro. Features like AI Scene Optimizer, Smart Task Mode, and Samsung DeX Wireless Enhanced Productivity like never before, turning the Galaxy S26 Ultra into a true hybrid device that bridges the gap between phone and computer. And let's not forget the enhanced S Pen, which continues to evolve as a tool for professionals and creatives alike, offering greater precision, smoother response, and smarter handwriting recognition. The synergy of hardware, software, and design in the S26 Ultra cements Samsung's dominance in the flagship market, leaving competitors struggling to catch up. In a world full of smartphones that make small incremental upgrades, Samsung dares to innovate boldly, creating a device that feels genuinely next generation. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is not just about specs. It's about the experience, about how effortlessly it adapts to your life, your style, and your ambitions. So, if you're considering an upgrade this year, this phone isn't just recommended, it's essential. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just a flagship, it's the future of smartphones today. And with that, we wrap up this deep dive into Samsung's latest masterpiece. If you enjoyed learning about the game-changing innovations in the S26 Ultra, make sure to subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more exclusive breakdowns and comparisons right here on TechVerse, where technology meets vision, and every innovation gets the spotlight it deserves. If you're looking for a smartphone that combines unmatched performance, cutting-edge display technology, pro-grade cameras, and sleek design, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra should be at the very top of your list. It's more than just a phone. It's your next productivity powerhouse, creative tool, and daily companion. For those seeking innovation without compromise, this is the ultimate upgrade of 2025. Stay curious, stay ahead, and keep exploring the future of tech. Only on TechVerse.